People often think of virtuosity as fast fingers, loud climaxes, or flashy technique. But real virtuosity isn't external, it's internal. It's the ability to express something deeply, emotionally, and make the audience feel it. Fast runs and clean, quick octaves are impressive and way too common these days, but it's important to realize that this is just a quick fix wow effect. It's like the funny cat on social media. It's not what really moves people, meaning what stays in their emotional memory. Audiences may clap for flash, and this is common as well, but they truly remember honesty. True virtuosity is what lingers after the sound has stopped. It may be super quick as well, but it's not the speed that is important. It's the message. It's easy to hide behind technique. Empty emotional expression is very often covered by loud and quick playing. It's much harder to expose something personal, a true human emotion. Expression demands emotional clarity, subtle control, and vulnerability. It takes more bravery to phrase one beautiful line with meaning and an emotional wow effect than to play 100 notes fast. People talk a lot about how to play right or to play as it was meant to be played. This is very tricky since what is right or what is perfect is not straightforward at all. There is, in fact, on an artistic level, not such a thing as perfect or right. Only on an artisan level one can talk about perfection, but these are just means to the artistic whole. If you're interested in that topic, I invite you to check out the video about perfection over at The Code of Music, as well as the Music Wide Open podcast, episode 17. With this topic in mind, it can happen that you can play everything supposedly right, but you still leave the attentive listener cold. And that's because technical control and flash doesn't equal connection. One needs emotional timing, color, breathing, silence, and everything connected, not just accuracy and power. The greatest pianists, such as Simon Barrere, Arthur Rubinstein, Adam Harasiewicz, Sofronitsky, Kempf, and so many more, weren't obsessed with perfection. Yes, they used the human drive to perfection to achieve something greater. But the main objective and almost obsession was always the story, which was created and masterfully colored, phrased, and balanced with meaning. Their virtuosity wasn't loud, it was human. Remember, real connoisseurs don't leave the hall humming your scales. They remember a line that sounded like a voice, a phrase that gave them goosebumps, or a pause that made them hold their breath. That's true musical mastery, that's true virtuosity. Technique is the alphabet, but expression is the language. Be more than correct, be more than fast. Be true. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.